Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my wash and go routine, and this routine is going to be without gel for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and start on sort of wet hair. My hair actually dried out a little bit too much, so I should have re-moisturized it, but I kind of forgot. So I just used this mango aloe hair mist, which I've used on my channel before. I really like this product because it's super moisturizing and it does kind of work like water would. So first I'm just going to split my hair into two sections, and I'm going to start to spray that mist all over my hair. And then as you see, I'm going to go ahead and pretty much rake it down to the ends of my hair and just make sure that it's in my hair nice and well. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using the Beija Flor Naturals Creme Brulee for kinks, curls, and coils. And I'm just going to apply that to my first section. Now, this is a cream, which is kind of different from me because I use creams, but when I use creams, I always have to make sure they're super thin. And this one is kind of thicker than what I normally would use, but it still worked very well on my hair, which says a lot for the product. So I'm going ahead and I'm separating my hair. I'm not shingling it because I just don't have time today. This is a quick wash and go. This is what I do when I just don't have time. So I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much separate my hair because as you guys see, it's kind of like stuck together and you don't want it to be matted at the top. So that's why I just kind of separate my hair before I apply the product. And as you guys see, I did take some more of that cream and I put it onto my section because I do want to make sure that I put a lot of product just to make sure that it's not frizzy, especially since we're not using any type of gel. And so the last step for that section is just for me to kind of scrunch it up, and that will help define the curls. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on my next section, and of course I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into a subsection because this front part of my hair and the front part of my hair in general is a lot frizzier than the rest of my hair, especially when it's not soaking wet. So I just made sure that I parted it into a subsection so that I can make sure I get in between. And if you guys see little white balls here and there in my hair, it's not from these products. It's from my aloe vera treatment that I did a little bit before I did this wash and go. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it up above. But everyone knows aloe vera just sometimes leaves balls in your hair. So yeah, that's where that's coming from. So don't think of that as the product. Okay, so for the front of my hair, I do put a lot more product than I put on any of my other sections just because, like I told you guys, that's the frizziest part of my hair. So I'm just raking the product through my hair and then smoothing it down. And I'm also using the shingling method, but of course it's not as detailed as I normally do it just because I'm just, you know, not in the mood to be here all day. So this, of course, is my quicker defining process. If you want to use the shingling process, then you would have a lot more definition with that method. So I'm just making sure that I get the product through my curls, and I'm just making sure that they're nice and separated so that they don't dry and mat together. This little piece up here is the worst, so I'm just taking that out individually, and I just put a little bit more product on there. And to the next side, I just went ahead and did the exact same thing, which I will not make you guys sit through. I just section my hair off and apply the products just like I did to the first side. And like I said, guys, ignore those bits and pieces. They're so annoying. But the aloe vera treatment that I did is worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and take some more of that creme brulee, and I'm just going to make sure that I put it on my edges just so I don't have any frizz. And I'm going to do the finishing touches by sealing in all the products with this beautiful honey product that they have by Beija Flora. I first thought this was going to be too heavy for my hair, but it actually turned out to be a really good oil. I also love that with the exception of a few of her products, most of them all work for your hair and body, so you can use them either way. So especially that honey product I showed you guys, that works really good on your body, so that's a plus. Alright, so I'm going to allow my hair to air dry, and this is actually 4 days later. I'm not even going to lie, guys. I got so busy and I wasn't able to show you guys the first day, but at least you get to see how my hair looks on the 4th day. So I'm going to go ahead and shake my hair out because I just take it out of that like pineapple bun, and yeah, it's a lot of frizz going on. And so to refresh my hair, I'm going to start to go in with the Beija Flora Naturals Cocoa Mango Buttercream. And I also like to take that cream and spray a little bit of water in with it just because it's super thick. Spraying in the water kind of helps for it to get through my hair strands a little bit better. So I'm using that to tame a little bit of this frizz. Because like I said, this is going to be no gel. Now you have the option to use gel. There's nothing wrong with it. That's what I normally would do, but I kind of just wanted to try out something new. So as you guys see, I'm taking my water bottle and I'm kind of misting my hair just to refresh it and remoisturize it. So at this point, I just go ahead and shake and fluff my hair, and I pretty much do this until it gets to my desired liking. So I'm taking a little bit more of water and buttercream, and I'm going ahead and laying down the front of my hair with that. And I'm pretty much just trying to make sure that no frizz is on the top of my hair. I also took my little gel toothbrush and I went ahead and laid down my edges a little bit. So this is what my hair is looking like. I personally like this 4th day hair because it's a lot bigger, but I actually like the 2nd day the best, and that's what's in my thumbnail. Okay guys, so that was my wash and go routine. Quick, easy, and to the point. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Now we just